Oh my God!
Kellogg's All Brand with natural wheat bran fiber to work for you. In just 10 days, All Brand comes with your system to help your body work a little better, leaving you feeling lighter, happier, and more energetic. The Kellogg's All Brand 10-Day Promise. What else will work for you?
For $5 you can get 1 gallon of gas, half a week, or 1/20th of a drop. But at Southern restaurants, you can get 1 of 8 delicious 6-inch fries, 6-inch subs, and delayed chips in a drink, all for only $5 only at Subway restaurants.
Yes, I'm making fun of you.
While these TV products doing the commercial, I'm going to tell you which Citadel station to listen to take off at the Toyota Tacoma. Listen to 107.9 The Duke. Watch it again tomorrow to find out how to win. This is Channel 9.
Memorial Day always means a lot of baseball, weather permitting, of course. The Chattanooga Lookout finishing up a 10-game homestand this afternoon up on Hawk Hill, trying to snap a nasty 5-game losing streak, trying to avoid a sweep at the hands of Carolina. That's the old Lookout. Chattanooga grabbing the early lead, but the Mudcats came back, jumping on top.
Mm.
Stayed like that.
Oh my God! I hope I got that.
4-3 to final. Sweep the 5-game series.
Oh my God! That was Oh my God, Cat, you're stupid.
Series starting a 7-game lead. The Braves are coming off a weekend sweep of Toronto. Overall, not a bad homestand. Atlanta winning 6 of 9 games. On the track, another win day in Charlotte, trying to run the Coca-Cola 600. It was rained out today. They got in half of the race, a little over half, before it was stopped again. David Rudin leading. It has just been called. It's over after 228 laps.
Come here, Daddy.
More tonight.
Come here, Snowball.
Other sporting notes, the Mox golf team is in the great state of Ohio. The NCAA Finals will be off tomorrow in Toledo. Chattanooga tees off early in the morning at 7:20. The Balls are there.
Snowball.
Tees off at 1 o'clock. And the Nuggets resume their series in Denver. LA won Game 3, and now has a 2-1 lead in that best-of-7 Western Conference Final. And finally, Game 2 of the French Open. No major surprises.
Come on, you just rolled around in Catnip. Do something funny.
And with that, he sets a new tournament record for consecutive victories. That would be 29. Look at it, 29. Bjorn Borg held the old one of 28. Roger Federer and Andy Roddick were also winners today. Nadal was pretty good.
Yeah, but you're playing.
Yeah. Wow. That is something.
Thanks, David.
That's what.
Well, let's go and take one more look at the weather. Well, we are going to see scattered thundershower this evening.
Meow.
Radar just on a scattered basis.
Meow.
Several days. What you saw today kind of repeats itself in the next several days, and after that,
Oh my God, she just like fell over.
but it's possible by Thursday and early Friday with a firm time.
Did you see her? She was sitting up and then she just goes boom. It's like timber.
I need a ride home and you're laughing.
And you can depend on us for all today's news, weather, and sports tonight at 11. Until then, we hope to have
And she just sits there eating her feet.
Local news. Tonight in defiance, North Korea flexes its military muscle, conducting a nuclear test, which President Obama is calling a grave threat to world security. Home again, the mother and her son on the run from cancer treatment have returned now to Minnesota. Boy is now reportedly headed to the hospital. Big deals, hundreds of Chrysler dealers forced to close are now selling cars at fire sale prices. Honoring the dead. On this Memorial Day, one community pays tribute to the fallen.
Snowball.
Brodus, Samuel.
And from
I don't have much more time.
Susan Boyle.
Do something funny.
Up to the mic again.
Like 10 minutes.
World News with Gerald Gibson. Reporting tonight, David
I need something to throw at her.
North Korea's underground nuclear test registered 4.5 on the Richter scale, the shockwave far more powerful than its first nuclear test 3 years ago. This is the latest and
Do you
certainly the
see
most
it?
serious.
Do you see the glove? Do you see the glove? Do something or I'll throw it at you.
Violation of international law.
North Korea's nuclear and ballistic missile programs pose a great threat to the peace and
So,
security
what
of the
is
world.
each paragraph about?
It's the opening and closing paragraph.
Here in New York, the UN Security Council gathered, and this evening it is condemning the North Koreans for that.
Why aren't you doing anything funny, you dumb cat?
Good evening, David. And yet again, it's North Korea against the world as the communist nation pushes
Come on.
ahead with its nuclear program despite criticism from across the globe. What appeared to be shockwaves from an earthquake turned out to be North Korea's second underground nuclear test. The official North
Bye,
Korean
kitty.
agency announced it had carried out